Hello, my name is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabea Law. Today we're talking about B1, and I'll talk a little bit about B2 visas, but primarily the B1 visa, which is a business visa. It's a non-immigrant visa. In other words, the intent is just to come here and do business and then to go back home. It's not the intent is not to come here and get your green card or become a citizen of the United States. It's here just to temporarily come to the United States and do business. Now, the B1 is basically just for consulting. So there's other avenues that a B1 holder has, but primarily the B1 visa holder, the qualifications is for them to come over and consult on a business or business matters, not to work, not to come here and wash dishes at a restaurant or to dig a trench for a construction company. It's to consult. And if you are doing some of the manual labor or just putting a computer together or whatever, that's not allowed. It's not what the B1's for. Now, there's other visas that can help you there, but not the B1. The B1 is for business, for consulting on business matters. And there's a few other items there. But how do you get your B1? Well, here you're dealing with people out of country, right? So they're trying to get into the country. So you're going to go to an American embassy or a consulate, and they're going to go through the process of what you call consular processing to get your visa. And you can go online, go to Department of State, because now we're dealing with a foreign scenario where we got our foreign embassies and foreign consulates. It's not in country. If it was in country, then you're dealing with the United States Citizen and Immigration Services, the USCIS, which you'd find them at uscis.com. So you're not going there, you're going to the Department of State. So departmentofstate.com. I think specifically for the visas, it's travel.state.com. Okay, don't quote me on that, but I think that's the email, or not the email, but the site domain, the way you can get there via the internet. So you go there, fill out the forms. Now, that's the B1. The B2 is actually not for business. The B2 is for pleasure. It's for travel. Now you have different lengths of time, 90 days for some up to 3 months, and then you can get extensions on that. But basically for pleasure and for medical purposes, to come have a medical procedure done. So that's the B2. The B1, business, consulting primarily. B2, pleasure, tourism, have a wedding, ask somebody to marry you, type of thing. So medical surgery scenario. So that's B1, B2. And so how do you get it? You go on site, fill out the forms, go from there. If you need an attorney, that's something that we can help you with. So you can contact me. I'd recommend you subscribing to this YouTube channel, and so you can keep tabs on all the immigration information that I leave. I do a daily lecture Monday through Friday. I try to get it out around noonish, noon time. That's central. So wherever you're at, it could be different. So anyways, thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys next time.